Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this set of 2 compression bags. These are going to be so nice for traveling. First of all, they compress clear down like this as far as storing them, and then you can put massive amounts of things in here. It has up to 50.6 liters, and it's waterproof. You can actually see the seal on the zipper, which is amazing. They've got this little T ring so you can pull on it, and the zipper is hard to be able to pull because it is on there. Now I put a big blanket inside there just so we can then compress it all down, but this is the bag. It's got a nice handle on here, and you have a strap, so if you just wanted to carry it like this, you can easily carry this around with you into traveling or whatever. You also have these nice little carabiner ring right here. Has little D-rings on both sides, so if you did want to take this out on the water with you, you can easily strap that down. It also comes with a nice little compressor to be able to pull out all of the air, and you have several different attachments if you wanted to use it to air something up too. Comes with a USB to C port and a little traveling bag. So let's put this thing to the test and we will try it out. We're just going to put this on here. On the side here you have your power button. This is your charging port right up here. It's got a nice little cover on it. And then you just press and hold for 2 seconds and we will start to get the air out of here. I've got this all vacuum sealed in here. This was a 22 by 15 and look how small it is now. That is going to conserve so much space when traveling. I love all of the features about it, including this coming with it. Traveling case, all ready, set to go. Being waterproof, it's a perfect little set.